Well, I'm gonna pray this works.
Yeah, this is the, you see how it's different?
Yeah.
It's completely...
And then I'll give those back to him, and hopefully he'll give me my money back. He messaged me and just said he didn't think it was that, the Terminator.
You think it's not?
Touching. He thinks it might just be the connection.
No, it is that one, because when I touch him, when I touch the cable from here, from this side, it starts.
Yeah.
When I touch him from here, nothing.
Okay. Yeah, I'm keeping my fingers crossed.
They're not good. Okay. Guys, you have to make sure the terminals, they're not having paint on it, because this is blocking the connections between the battery and the cables.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, done. Bye bye. Have a good night.